Alright guys, me and Justin drove up early this morning, Farm Machinery Show. We'll take a look around, see what all's new's coming out, try to do some videos there and get back with you. Alright guys, this place is like jammed with people. The worst I ever seen it. Full, and I think it's because it's a rainy day or corn and soybean markets are up. But we was walking by the cab. It looks like we made the Hall of Fame here. Tennessee. I got my daughter Kate, she got second. Whitney got first in her class. And I got several friends here on this board, so we're rocking the decab today. Well, we got a lot of names on the board this past year. Maybe we can do it this year, guys. Down here in Broadbent Arena, this is where the trucks and tractors stage to get ready for the pool. And they let us come in and you get to view the tractors and trucks. I've been doing this since I was 11 years old. You can notice there's millions and millions of dollars worth of tractors and trucks here. And these people take this serious. It's serious business. I always like to look at them. Most of these people are, some of them's farmers, some of them ain't. This is world class.
I said it still sucks if we didn't do it.
Alright guys, me and Justin didn't sleep too good last night, but we're headed back towards home. We're going to stop here in Logan County, Kentucky, pick up a spray truck I bought back in December, and just now getting time to come by and get it. Bought it from Brad Moss. He farms pretty big up here. He's up at the farm show, so we're just gonna grab the truck and try to get home with it. Looks like he's got a real nice farm here. Alrighty, Justin's gonna check oil here, water, see how much fuel we got. Truck looks pretty good. It's a 377, I think. N14. Engine looks clean. Truck's clean. Water tank. Place to put the totes. Got a pump. Mixing tank. Even got a hitch on the back. Looks like it's going to be a good setup. Brad's got some nice equipment here. Everything's in the dry. They got a lot of rain here last night. This is some of the best ground in Kentucky in this area. What's it look like?
Oil's good, water's good. Should be good.
Think it'll start?
Yep. Crank it up.
Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got here, folks. It's awful cold up here. Oh yeah. Not too bad. Well, I guess I wish this was the Peterbilt we was bringing home, but it's not. I hope Brad don't care us looking at it. He's got a nice truck. I know he's went to this Hagee. You want to spray some corn, tall corn, floaters. Get over here and walk under it, Justin. Show everybody how tall that thing is.
Tall.
That's tall. I could use this on the farm, but that right there would be awful nice. Brand new X9. Michelin tires. Woo! It's got some nice stuff. We got little Glenn here in front of us. He's a friend of mine. We're going to stop by his place for a few minutes and then try to get on the interstate and get home. Justin's driving the truck behind me.
On the drain.
On that track. Where's the V8 Pete?
It's up there, man.
Yeah. I'm gonna try to have all my stuff in the dry like this one day. Fully polished hopper bottom. Well, we're leaving Glenn's. The old truck going. It's cold here. Try to get back home here pretty quick.
Been on the road about an hour now. We just got through Nashville. Got stuck in a little bit of traffic, but nothing too bad. We're past there, so we got about 150 miles to go. We'll be back to the farm. The truck's doing really good so far. It's not getting hot. Temperature's staying good. Holding good oil pressure. It's got really good heat in it. That's a plus because it's only about 30 degrees today. So I got lucky on that one. So we've been driving for a while now and I haven't found any issues, so it's always good. Wanted to say thanks to Josh for taking me on this trip with him. Had a real good time. It's always fun getting to hang out with him and go check out the newest machinery they're releasing and all the new improvements they made and find out how we can do stuff better for next year. So it's always good. But we're gonna keep on trucking back to the farm and check in with you guys when we get back there. Well, we just got back to the farm with the new truck. It was a pretty good trip. Didn't have any issues. Ran and drove good. It's pretty good on fuel. Probably gonna do a few small things to it just to get it set up a little better for us, but really doesn't need a whole lot, just a few small things. But I'd like to thank you guys for watching our video, and be sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already.